Good morning, everybody. It is 30 something degrees in Tampa Bay, Florida. It's a little bit cold. We're dealing with it. We're dealing with it. Hope everyone's doing well. I figure I'd pop in here, do a quick little weekly video for you. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about your computer and shutting it off at night. I will tell you with ShowTech, what we do is we do what's called a 24-hour patch cycle. And Microsoft will push patches that require a reboot. So let's say your computer's been off for a bit, or it's a laptop in a bag, something like that. And what happens here is, let's say you have a computer with, say, I don't know, 3 patches, right? 3 patches waiting, and they're flagged required reboot. So what it does is it does 1 patch and then it waits for that reboot. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't reboot your PC for, say, a week, a month, whatever, or until like the power goes out, you just keep stacking patches. So what we tell everybody is, look, for the best security posture possible, at the end of the day, power your computer off. That does a bunch of things. One, it lets OneDrive calm down. It's a busy little boy, right? And it's just going nuts all day, and it allows it to kind of clear its cache. It also allows Windows updates to start to apply at shutdown, right? Because the worst thing you want to do is your meeting isn't working, something's not right, you reboot, and next thing you know, you have an hour-and-a-half patch, right? So as 22H2 and all the new 22H whatever start pushing out to all the Windows 11 desktops, some of these patches can take an hour. You don't want to find that out first thing in the morning, or at, right before you're trying to jump on a meeting because you're late because you need to get that Starbucks drink, right? So definitely shut down at night if you can, or if you have to keep that computer on. So at the end of the day, what I like to do is shut down all your apps, right? And then do start, restart, watch the machine, look for the Dell, Lenovo, Microsoft banner to make sure the machine has actually rebooted. Because what a lot of people do, and they don't realize it, is they leave a bunch of windows open. They leave some Word documents, some Excel documents, some notepads, or whatever. And when you go to shut down, the Windows is sitting going, hey, I have an application open. What should I do here? And then you miss it because you've turned around and you're stuffing stuff in your bag. You come back and now you're on a lock screen and you're like, cool, everything is groovy. Well, what happens with that is everything is actually not groovy. Microsoft started shutting down all your apps, but couldn't do a complete reboot. So now, like, OneDrive's not running, your phone isn't working, just all these kind of crazy things. So again, my tip for you is go ahead and shut that PC down at night. Make sure the power goes off. Look at the little light on the computer. Make sure it's physically off. And then when you come in the next day, you turn on the computer, you go get your coffee, you go do whatever, and then things will be good. That's the ShowTech recommendation. The other thing is, let's talk about cybersecurity, right? When your PC is on 24 hours a day, you are a target 24 hours a day. So let's say there's somebody on the network, a bad actor, whatever, and unbeknownst to you, they're on your network because you haven't changed your Wi-Fi password in 10 years. Or, God forbid, your Wi-Fi password is actually your phone number, right? Something like that. And when your PC is on 24 hours a day, you are a target 24 hours a day. So shut that computer off. If you take one thing from my little video today, shut your computer off. And by the way, in our system, we know who's not turning their computer off. We know who's not rebooting. So when we're on your system and you say, well, I rebooted today, and we look and it says it's been up for 72 days, we know. And we talk about it. So with that, I'll let you be. Have a great day, guys. Stay warm. Be safe.